Welcome to Smart Kids English.
Yay!
Learning today, leading tomorrow. Emergency vehicles are special machines that help people in danger. They rush to fires, accidents, floods, and many other emergencies. Let's learn the names of these powerful rescue and safety vehicles together.
This is a rescue helicopter.
It rescues people fast. It flies to dangerous places. It saves lives from the sky.
33. This is a wildfire response truck.
It fights forest fires. It brings water to remote areas. It helps protect nature.
This is a rescue snowmobile.
It travels on snow fast. It helps rescuers reach cold areas. It supports winter emergencies.
This is a flood evacuation bus.
It carries people safely. It helps evacuations fast. It supports rescue teams during floods.
This is a rapid response SUV.
It arrives quickly. It carries emergency tools. It helps teams respond faster.
It rescues people in the ocean. It moves fast through waves. It supports beach emergencies.
This is an emergency command van.
It controls rescue missions. It helps teams communicate. It supports emergency planning.
It helps rescue climbers. It reaches dangerous mountain paths. It supports search teams safely.
This is an explosive ordnance disposal truck.
It handles dangerous bombs. It keeps people safe. It protects cities from explosions.
27, this is a fire tanker truck.
It brings water to fires. It supports firefighters. It helps control large emergencies.
This is a hazmat response truck.
It handles dangerous chemicals. It keeps people safe. It protects the environment during emergencies.
This is a police car.
It protects the city. It catches dangerous people. It keeps everyone safe.
This is a rescue ATV.
It reaches tight areas. It travels on rough ground. It helps rescue teams find people faster.
This is a fire truck.
It rushes to fires fast. It protects people in danger. It saves homes and lives every day.
This is an ambulance.
It helps sick people fast. It brings doctors quickly. It saves lives every minute.
This is a rescue boat.
It saves people in water. It travels fast in storms. It helps rescue teams stay safe.
It reaches emergencies fast. It moves through traffic easily. It helps save lives quickly.
It carries rescue gear. It helps teams reach rough terrain. It supports emergencies outdoors.
This is a disaster relief truck.
It delivers emergency supplies. It supports rescue teams. It helps people during disasters. This is a Coast Guard truck.
It protects the coastline. It responds to sea emergencies. It helps rescue people in danger.
It drives in deep water. It rescues stranded people. It helps emergency teams during floods.
This is a mobile medical clinic truck.
It provides medical care. It helps doctors treat people fast. It supports health during emergencies.
This is an emergency lighting truck. It lights up dark areas. It helps teams work safely. It supports night emergencies.